since you asked here. Okay, first make your OC all black. Then change all of the outlines to the color green. Take the screenshots of your character dancing. Go to the app you use for editing. I use CapCut Big, you can use any. Then edit the video to however fast or slow you want your character to move. Export it, then make a new project and insert the video you just saved. Next, duplicate the video as many times as you want and export it. After that, you must get a rainbow background and put your dancing video as an overlay. Then use chroma key on the green outlines and do what I do.